Hello guys, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nitin. This is my dark horse, the Royal Enfield Himalayan, and today I am heading out for a short ride somewhere around Mumbai. Today I will be accompanied by two of my school friends. So I'll catch you again once I meet them on the road. Okay? So, hello guys, welcome back. So, today we are heading towards Igatpuri for a short breakfast ride, and today I am being accompanied by my two school friends. Here they are. So that's Akshay Singh and that's Tausif Sheikh, and these are our rides for today. The Adventure 390, Duke 200, and my dark horse, the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So I'll see you later guys, bye. So guys, just to let you know, this is my very first motovlog. I wanted to do this for quite a while, but I was not really confident. But again, some or the other day I had to do it. So I thought, why not just give it a try. So I am both excited and nervous, and I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out to be. I hope it turns out to be good. Let's hope. So currently we are heading towards Bhiwandi. Right now I'm in Thane. First I have to refuel because my bike is in reserve. So we need to take a fuel break first. Yeah, that was a close one, I guess. So I'll see you once again after refueling. Bye bye. So guys, I am done with the refueling. Next destination is Myanmar Gate. So it's in Igatpuri, a very nice place. So this place is basically it's basically a meditation center. People who want to meditate, who want to spend time on themselves, do yoga, do some spiritual sort of thing, they visit this place called the Myanmar Gate. I was also a bit skeptical about how the road conditions are going to be. I asked few of my friends who have been to Igatpuri about the road condition. Now some of them said that the road is awesome, but also some of them said the road is not really good. So I thought, why not just I go by myself and find it out, right? He almost had me, man. That's scary. That's scary as hell. I really apologize if the audio quality is not up to the mark. That is why I am trying to do some jugaad sort of thing to give you the best I can. I hope you understand. I don't have a separate or a proper mic setup for this GoPro. So I had to record the audio in a separate device. So basically I'm recording the audio on my phone. Okay, now that's enough of talking guys. I think I'll let you enjoy the view now. See you in some time. So it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place, the Myanmar Gate. It's very beautiful, it's humongous, it's awesome. See you next time. Bye bye. We didn't eat anything since morning, so the first stop is going to be for breakfast. Not the first stop, the next stop will be for breakfast, because we are too hungry, way too hungry. Let's see what we get to eat. Okay guys, so we are done with an early brunch, I would say. It was not breakfast. Yeah, and we are all set to leave for Mumbai. Chalo, see you on the road. So this is where the vlog ends. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If not, do let me know what you think of this motovlog, and do let me know in the comment section below what things should I improve. So thank you for being such a wonderful audience. See you in the next one. Goodbye.